Hey, how's it going? So I decided to give you a little tour and some tips of how I organize some of my beauty items. So this was a purse organizer that somebody gave me that you would put into a big tote bag or a big purse to organize your purse. But since I've gotten away from carrying big purses, I decided to use it to help organize just things on my beauty desk. So, you have these pockets here, and then you have the big section, and then I still have these that I'm not even using yet that I could fill with other things. But this is how I organize a lot of my beauty palettes. Okay, so I still have, and I have not been able to get rid of these. I have these Z palettes that, the kind that when you depot, you can take things out of a palette and you can save it and then put it in. And then still have this one. And you just never know when you might need one or have some shadows from one type of palette or quad, but you want to save them, but you don't want to toss. You want to toss the others, and you can still put them in there. And so then I got this Michaela Glam Light palette that is really gorgeous. This was one of my TJ Maxx hauls, and so this was her first palette with Glam Light. So that goes here. That's like in the big section. Okay, I have my bigger Juvias Place palettes that I really, really love. This one is, you can tell how much I've used it, especially this rose gold. This is one of my signature things I use. So many blush, lips, on my lips. Sometimes I'll use it for shadow, highlight. It's just so gorgeous. It's one of my favorite shades. This one is also just fantastic. I love the brights. Then I have my smaller Juvia's Place palettes. My smaller Juvia's Place palettes, which are like the berries and berries of Juvia's. And then I have this one with the pinks, the sweet pinks of Juvia's. So gorgeous. That they all fit right here. And then I have the nudes of Juvia's. These have some gorgeous gold highlights as well. This I often use as a face powder if I'm in a pinch. These two actually, these I sometimes use for contour. Just gorgeous shades right there. And these are the chocolates by Juvia's. And these I use on my brows. I use for like my winged smoky eyes. I use these for contour sometimes. I don't use this one quite, the shimmers quite as much, but sometimes I do. Sometimes I kind of mix them up and kind of put it on my lid, and then but I love these two dark chocolate colors. Just gorgeous. And then recently I got, this was from a TJ Maxx, Must Be Cindy by Bella. This one is gorgeous. I love the color story, the mix of these. I don't even know if they still have it or not, but this is just, and these also I use for highlight and like face powder. This also is a good highlighter. These are all gorgeous matte shade. Of course, this black I use a lot for my smoky eye. These I use as blush, shadows, bronzers, all those things. And it's like one of those like overall one palettes. And then these two are like my new favorite. The Welcome to Miami by Essence. This is just, I did a whole video on this where I was swatching this. I just love it. Love the quality of Essence. And it's so affordable. And then the Essence, the Welcome to Marrakesh. I'm still got to do a single video just devoted to this, to swatching this, because these are gorgeous. It's a gorgeous color story. So I have these in this way. So when on my table, when I'm doing my makeup, it's like this. So the things that I reach for the most, I know exactly where they are. And then I also have like my eyelash curler. Oh, and now last but not least is this Creme Shop one. This I used to sell on my website, but they don't have it anymore. But this was the Creme Shop Heartbreaker So Shady, and this had a great color story too. I love I love metallic golds and I love reds and burgundies, and this is fantastic. So I have that one right here. It's a perfect little place for it. I don't know who makes this organizer, but they really did a fantastic job on I'll just put this here. Did a fantastic job in the size of the pockets in the organization. I keep an eyelash curler here. This is great. This I got from one of those some catalog or something. And what I do is, this is for my angle, my brows. I always get those there, and then I kind of turn it this way because it's almost like too high up. But anyway, that's just little organizing tips. And but it's so great because when it's on my beauty desk, I can just see it right here, reach for it. It doesn't take up a lot of space. I have it long ways next to some other things, and I'm able to know exactly what I need when I need it, and not waste a lot of time. And I just wanted to share that because, and if you have less, I mean, just like in general, you have all these zippers, and there's even more room in here, and you have all these zippers, and there's more pockets on this side. But if you want to make it be a little smaller, you've got these snaps here, so it kind of helps enclose it a little bit better if you want to do that. So if you're using it for this purpose, yeah, see, that's, he holds it even tighter. But since that, I like to be able to get things out. But anyway, if you, I don't know who makes this. I'm sure that they have them on Amazon or they have them on various places. But you just never know what you can use, And sometimes, like I said, somebody gave that to me, and I was just like, well, I'm not carrying a big purse anymore. What am I going to use it for? And then I just ended up. It's been one of the best ways that I've been keeping myself organized and being able to get access things really quickly without having to take up a lot of space on my beauty desk. And I would just flip the phone here and just see, I just have it right in here between my drawers and some of my other things and my brushes, and I can just slide it in and just slide it out, and it is just, fantastic. It's just one of those fantastic little things. So anyway, just wanted to share some tips with you guys, and hope you all are well, and thanks for the support always, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.